What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. The video I choose here for you to solve is cosine 3 theta times cosine theta minus sine 3 theta times sine theta equals to 0, and we need to solve for theta, which is changing from 0 to 2 pi. So as you see here, we are dealing with a compound angle, so I'm gonna solve it here. So cosine x plus y equals to cosine x times cosine y minus sine x times sine y. So based on what we have here, I can rewrite the left hand side as 3 theta plus theta equals to 0. Therefore cosine 4 theta equals to 0. So theta must change from 0 to 2 pi. It means that 4 theta can change from 0 to 8 pi. If you multiply everything by 4, we have 0, 4 theta, 8 pi. So cosine 4 theta equals to 0. It means that the answers can be pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, that's for the first round. For the second round, we have pi over 2 plus 2 pi, 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi, that's the second round. The third round is going to be pi over 2 plus 4 pi, 3 pi over 2 plus 4 pi, and the last one is going to be pi over 2 plus 6 pi, 3 pi over 2 plus 6 pi. And then I need to rearrange it, simplify it. Pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. Pi over 2 plus 2 pi is going to be 5 pi over 2. That's going to be 7 pi over 2. And here we have 8 plus 1 is going to be 9 pi over 2. Here we have 8, 11 pi over 2. 12, 13 pi over 2. And here we have 15 pi over 2. So these are the answers for 4 theta, but we need to find out the values of theta. So I need to divide all these answers by 4. So we have pi over 8, 3 pi over 8, 5 pi over 8, 7 pi over 8, 9 pi over 8, 11 pi over 8, 13 pi over 8, and 15 pi over 8. So we have 8 answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. You can just take a look to the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.